No. App developers, especially Android developers, can create apps that are very, very interesting. And Android development is not stressful career though. If you look at Glassdoor, the average package of an Android developer is 7.5 LPA to 8 LPA, which is very, very good for a beginner. And I think it's the best for a beginner. The median salary is 8 LPA. It's crazy, right? Many interesting apps. In fact, a new world where you can get lost is created by Android developers. No, not this kind of lost, but an interesting lost. What does interesting mean? Where you can learn, where you can add value to our own life by learning, by reading. Everything can be created by Android developers. So if you want to become an Android developer, then this video is perfect for you. A new roadmap, in fact not 100% but 120%. What are the things you need to do will be discussed in this video. So let's don't waste time and start the video. The first thing and the first requirement for an Android developer is to have a PC or a laptop. It may be Windows or OS, right? And second most important thing is Android mobile. Yes, having an Android mobile. No, that is not my ringtone. Okay, let's come back to the video. Yes, after creating an app, there are some changes that need to be done in Android mobile that can't be done in Lappy or PC. So Android developers, you must have an Android phone. And third most important thing is learning a programming language. It's not this many programming languages, but in market there are 3 popular programming languages for Android development. First is Java, Flutter and Kotlin. I usually prefer Java. Why Java? I have a valid reason why I am recommending Java. There are 5 things I will be discussing why I'll recommend Java. First thing is placements. For every college student, उनका dream होता है ना to get placed in product-based companies where they can earn a lot of money, right? So placement में बैठने के लिए you must be familiar with data structures and algorithms. To learn data structures and algorithms, C++ and Java are the best, and usually product-based companies conduct exam in C++ or Java for data structures and algorithms. Okay, let's eliminate C++ and the winner is Java because we are talking about Android development. And the second most important thing is Android development. You all know, right? Java is one of the most popular programming language that is used in Android development. And third and most important thing is backend development. So if you're a web developer as well as Android developer, or you are a kind of person who want to learn Android development as well as web development, then Java is perfect for you, because in backend the framework of Java, which is Spring, is used for backend development. And the fourth thing is GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Using Java, GUI can be created very easily. And fifth and foremost thing is startups. Many startups usually work in Java, and in Java both kind of developments are done. One is native app development and second is hybrid app development. अभी यार native app और hybrid app क्या होता है? I'm gonna explain what is native app and hybrid app development. Before that, you need to note down one line. That line is app developments. Usually Android developers design app for operating system. किसके लिए डिजाइन करते हैं? Operating system के लिए. So operating systems are 2 types or 3 types maximum: Linux, Windows or Mac, right? Hybrid development means developers usually code for both the operating system, and with little bit change of code it can be used for Windows as well as PC. And compared to native app development, hybrid app development is little bit cheaper and best for the beginners to practice developing apps. Coming to native app development, very popular and posh games and very operating system, particular games are developed in native app development and advanced लोग ये वाला काम करते हैं. Usually as a beginner I recommend to do hybrid development. Then after becoming a pro in Android development you can switch to native development और आपकी मर्जी. And what are the pros and cons of hybrid development? मैं already बता दिया है आपको. The pro is hybrid development is best for beginners. It is little bit cheaper, but when it comes to security purpose, native development has more scope because it is only designed for a singular operating system, and protecting a singular operating system is little bit easy compared to both cross operating systems. So I think you have understood what is hybrid app development as well as native app development. Second, coming to Kotlin. Google has officially declared that they are gonna use Kotlin as their official Android development language. So Kotlin also has a lot of popularity. And third and foremost thing is Flutter. Flutter is also for cross platforms. It is mostly used in hybrid development. Java is also used in hybrid development as well as native development. Kotlin also used in these kind of developments. So with your preferences, choose these one out of 3 languages for your Android development journey. And the fourth thing is installing Android Studio, right? Android Studio installation के बिना Android development नहीं हो सकती है. Android development install करने के बाद you need to learn the documentation and how to use Android development. ये हमारा बस की बात नहीं है ना, इसलिए there are many videos out there in the YouTube, or you can even take a course for entire Android development in Udemy, or there are many apps where you can take courses like Coursera, which also provide financial aid. Usually after installation of Android Studios, learning about it takes about 10 to 15 hours. If you see videos, you can even complete faster. It depends on your dedication, how much you want to learn. And fifth and foremost thing is learning about databases and APIs. APIs means what? To understand clearly about APIs, check here, or you can go to the video section where I will be uploading a short on API, or I might have already uploaded. You can check there and you will get a deep understanding about what is API, what is HTTPS and everything. Database मतलब आप जानते हो, है ना? Database means the thing where entire data is stored, and how it runs. You need to learn about it. This is it. After learning all these 5 things, I'm gonna summarize again. First and foremost thing is you need to have a laptop or a PC, and second and foremost thing is having an Android phone. Third thing is choosing a programming language. Fourth thing is installing Android Studios, and fifth thing is getting familiar with all these databases and APIs. After learning these 5 things, आप Android developer बन तो जाओगे, लेकिन you will be a skilled Android developer when you do more projects and you interact more with other persons who are doing Android development with you. So you can check out many profiles in LinkedIn, and you can even go through projects in YouTube, and you can practice. And once again I'm saying project based learning, especially in development, is the best way to learn. You can even go forward to open sources, or you can crack many coding exams also. So guys, if you want to learn Android development, then go for it. Have a discipline and you will definitely do. I'll be back with next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.